Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, dear viewers. Today is Monday and that is a science day. Our topic is very interesting. Do you know what is that topic? Why does your stomach growl when you are hungry? Growling. That funny hungry noise. We have all been there sitting in a quiet room and suddenly your stomach starts making that awkward noise. But why does it happen? The science of stomach growling. The sound you hear is called borborygmi. It happens when your stomach and intestines contract and squeeze food, liquid, and gas through your digestive system. These muscle contractions are called peristalsis. Why it's louder when you are hungry? When your stomach is empty, the same contractions still happen, but with no food to muffle the sound. The noise becomes louder and more noticeable. Also, hungry triggers your brain to send stronger signals to your digestive muscles, preparing for the next meal. The role of hormones. When you are hungry, your body releases a hormone called Growling, which sends a signal to your brain saying it's time to eat. Growling also increases stomach contractions, making growls more frequent. Does it only happen when you are hungry? No. Your stomach growls all the time, but food inside makes it quieter. So even after eating, the noise can still happen, especially during digestion. Is stomach growling normal? Yes, totally normal. In fact, it's a sign of healthy digestive system. If your stomach is never making any sounds, it could mean your digestive muscles aren't working properly. When to be concerned if growling comes with pain, bloating, or nausea. It could be a sign of digestive problems like IBS or food intolerance. That's when it's worth visiting a doctor. Fun fact, the growl isn't just from your stomach. It can come from your small intestines too. The sound just travels upward and we think it's from the stomach. Conclusion. Embrace the growl. Next time your stomach growls, don't be embarrassed. It's just your body's way of saying, I am hungry. A little music from your digestive system. If you think that my video is really informative, then please mention it in the comments box and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.